Why settle for boring video background when you can make your content to look clean, aesthetic, and screw stopping with just one tool? Let me show you how you can transform your video background using CapCut. Everything you can see behind me is completely fake. I achieved this background you can see behind me using CapCut, and in this video I'm going to hold you by your hand and teach you how to achieve same if you want.
First, you click on CapCut, click on New Project, then you click on Photos. Select the particular photo you want to use as a background. Then you have to adjust this particular photo to be the same length with your intending video. That video you want to use this photo as a background on, make sure they are the same length. After that, you look for aspect ratio, click on it. Make sure it is 16.9, that is the correct aspect ratio for YouTube. Then you go for transform, go to resize, click on 16.9 again, and you have to adjust this the way you want it to be. Then go back again and make sure you adjust it to fit the screen. Then you go to overlay, click on overlay and select the particular video you want to use for this particular project. When you click on the video, it is going to import. Then you have to adjust the video to the right place you want it to be. After your adjustments, then you look for remove background. You click on remove background. The background of this particular video is going to disappear. Then you click here. The next thing to do afterwards is to go to effects. Click on video effects. We are going to blur this background, so we'll search for blur effects. You type in the word, then the effects are going to appear. You choose the one you want to go for. We'll be choosing the first one. Then I'm going to adjust it because I want it to be brighter a bit so that people can see what is behind me, but not clearly. So I'll be going for 18, and then I'll go back, then I'll close here, cancel, then I'll go back, and that is it. Then I'm going to remove this. I'm going to delete it, and that is that, guys. After this, you click on export and export this particular video. Once you hit the export button, this video is going to save.
So the next time you film in a messy and plain world, don't panic. CapCut got you covered. Hit the subscription button for tips like this. Bye.